Few additions can transform a backyard more than a swimming pool. The shimmering blue water promises relaxation, fun, and a little bit of luxury right at home. But when it comes time to take the plunge, one big decision looms. Should you choose an above-ground pool or go all in with an in-ground pool? Each type offers a distinct set of benefits, drawbacks, and experiences. Let's dive beneath the surface and explore the differences between above-ground and in-ground pools, focusing on the most important comparison points to help you make an informed, confident choice. Installation and cost. When comparing the two types of pools, installation and cost stand out as the biggest dividing lines. Above-ground pools are famous for their affordability and ease of setup. A typical above-ground pool kit, including a frame, liner, and pump equipment, can range from as little as $2,000 for basic models to about $7,000 for larger or higher-end versions. Installation is usually straightforward, with many homeowners opting to assemble the pool themselves over the course of a weekend with just a few tools and some help. Even when professional installers are used, the timeline is short, often just a day or two from start to swim. In-ground pools, on the other hand, represent a significant investment in both time and money. The cost typically starts at $30,000 for basic models, but can easily soar beyond $50,000 or even $100,000 when factors like custom shapes, premium materials, landscaping, decking, and integrated water features are factored in. The installation process is lengthy and complex, involving excavation, plumbing, electrical work, inspections, and often weeks or months of construction before the pool is ready for its first cannonball. In-ground pools are undeniably a bigger commitment on every front, but for many homeowners, the investment is worth it. Maintenance and lifespan. Maintenance needs and expected lifespan vary considerably between above-ground and in-ground pools. Above-ground pools tend to be less burdensome in terms of ongoing care. Their smaller surface area and shallower depths mean fewer chemicals are required, and basic filtration systems can handle the workload efficiently. Because the components are more accessible and exposed, maintenance tasks like cleaning the liner, patching leaks, or replacing filters can often be handled by DIY-savvy owners, saving additional money over time. However, the trade-off for this simplicity is longevity. Above-ground pools typically last 10 to 20 years, depending on material quality and how well they are cared for. Conversely, in-ground pools demand more attention and a higher budget for maintenance. Larger water volumes require more chemicals and robust filtration, and keeping the pool pristine often means hiring a professional service or investing significant time yourself. The upside is that in-ground pools are much more durable by design, especially when constructed from concrete or gunite, with lifespans stretching 30 to 50 years or more if well maintained. Repairs can be more difficult and costly, but the structure of an in-ground pool is meant to last decades, which helps offset the initial investment. Ultimately, above-ground pools are lower maintenance but also less permanent, while in-ground pools are high maintenance in exchange for longevity. Design options and flexibility. Above-ground and in-ground pools offer very different experiences in terms of design options and customization. Above-ground pools tend to be utilitarian. Most are round or rectangular, with limited choice on depth, shape, and size due to structural limitations. While they can be dressed up with attractive decking, fencing, or landscaping, the possibilities for customization are generally limited to cosmetic changes such as pool wraps, lighting, or add-on ladders. Features like built-in steps, integrated spas, or dramatic waterfalls are difficult or impossible to accomplish with above-ground designs. In contrast, in-ground pools offer nearly limitless possibilities. Homeowners can opt for standard shapes or get creative with free-form curves, infinity edges, beach entries, or an attached hot tub. Depth can be varied, creating shallow lounging areas and deep ends suitable for diving. Custom features are more easily integrated, such as waterfalls, underwater lighting, tanning ledges, or automatic pool covers. The materials used, like concrete, fiberglass, or vinyl, can be selected based on preference, budget, or desired look. For those seeking a backyard centerpiece or a true resort-style oasis, in-ground pools are hands down the winner in terms of flexibility and design. Property impact. The impact a pool has on your property extends far beyond aesthetics. It can influence everything from real estate value to how you use your outdoor space. Above-ground pools are viewed as temporary or semi-permanent additions. They rarely contribute much to a home's resale value, and some buyers may even see them as an eyesore or as something that will require removal. On the positive side, because they can be disassembled and removed, your yard is not permanently changed if your lifestyle or plans shift in the future. In-ground pools, however, are a true investment in your property. A well-designed in-ground pool can dramatically boost curb appeal and marketability, sometimes commanding a higher sale price, especially in warmer regions where pools are in high demand. The flip side is that not all buyers want the responsibility or insurance obligations of owning a pool, so the increase in property value can be somewhat subjective. Moreover, an in-ground pool may also lead to higher property taxes and increased homeowners' insurance premiums due to the added risk and replacement value. Ultimately, if you're thinking about resale or long-term impact, an in-ground pool has greater potential for return, but also comes with more considerations. Space and mobility. The physical demands and flexibility of each pool type also differ greatly. Above-ground pools are a great fit for smaller or less level yards, as they require less extensive site preparation and can be installed without destroying your existing landscape. Their portability is a unique benefit. The pool can be taken down at the end of the season or moved entirely if you relocate, giving renters or those uncertain about their future plans real peace of mind. They also generally take up less permanent space in your yard, so you aren't sacrificing as much outdoor area indefinitely. By comparison, in-ground pools require a substantial commitment of both space and location. They need a flat, stable area, and because the installation process requires excavation and permanent infrastructure, the pool becomes a fixture of your property. The size is usually larger, ideal for swimming laps, pool parties, or elaborate landscaping, but less flexible overall. If you tire of having a pool, you're facing a costly and complicated removal process, often leaving a permanent mark on the landscape. In-ground pools therefore make the most sense for homeowners who are certain about making their pool a central lasting feature of their outdoor space. Safety. Safety should be top of mind for all pool owners, especially families with children or pets. Above-ground pools offer a natural safety advantage by virtue of their elevated sides. The pool is harder to access for small children without a ladder, and many models allow you to remove or lock the ladder when not in use, reducing the risk of unsupervised entry. However, the sides of the pool are often not high enough to prevent determined climbers, and because these pools are typically not deep, diving is neither safe nor possible. In-ground pools can present greater safety challenges since they are flush with the ground and easily accessible. Most municipalities have strict codes requiring safety fences or locked gates around in-ground pools to reduce the chance of accidental entry and drowning, especially for young children. While these measures are effective, they can add to the cost and visual clutter of the pool area. That said, in-ground pools better accommodate features like entry steps, handrails, and gradual slopes, which can aid accessibility for those with mobility issues. Regardless of pool type, responsible supervision and robust safety measures are a must for any pool owner. Durability. Durability is a critical factor when deciding between above-ground and in-ground pools. Above-ground pools, made primarily from steel or resin frames with a vinyl liner, are reasonably sturdy but vulnerable to damage from weather, lawn equipment, and sharp objects. Over time, liners can tear and frames can rust or warp, particularly if the pool is left standing year-round in harsh climates. With diligent care, most above-ground pools serve well for 10 to 15 years before major repairs or replacement become necessary. In-ground pools, by contrast, are built to last. Whether constructed from concrete, fiberglass, or a heavy vinyl shell, An in-ground pool is a true feat of engineering designed to withstand decades of season changes, heavy use, and environmental exposure. Concrete pools, especially, are known to last 50 years or more when properly maintained, and even fiberglass models offer impressive longevity. Repairs can be more intensive and costly, but the pool itself becomes a permanent fixture of your home. For those seeking a long-term addition to their property, the superior durability of in-ground pools is a persuasive point. Conclusion: choosing between an above-ground and in-ground pool is rarely a simple decision. It comes down to weighing budget, commitment, design preferences, and lifestyle. Above-ground pools are ideal for those seeking affordability, speed, and flexibility, a chance to enjoy all the benefits of pool ownership with less risk and responsibility. In-ground pools, by contrast, are an investment in luxury and permanence. They offer unmatched customization, durability, and the potential to add true value to your home. Your best choice depends on your goals, space, and long-term plans. By considering the points above, you'll be well equipped to make a splash, no matter what pool you choose.